In the service now, there are a lot of products with the ITSM. So in that ITSM incident problem in the service catalog, incident problem change and service catalog, and so that requested item catalog task. These are the main modules of the system, and which are all come to the ITSM process. So this is the main thing, and also we forgot that knowledge. So these are all the main process, main pillars of the ITSM. So similarly, when you come to the CSM, ITSM is nothing but information technologies service management. Service management, and the mainly this ITSM will be used for the internal users. For example, if you are a user, you want an application access, you can use the same thing. Or if you are a user, you want to do the headphone request or laptop request, you can do the same thing for this one. So ITSM, if you want to, what are the incidents for this, what are the applications you are using, we can all use for the one. So if you come to the CSM, we have another product called CSM. CSM is nothing but, I'm sorry, customer service management. Customer service management is nothing but what are the services we are providing to the customer. For example, if you see, we are using customer service now as a product. So we are implementing the one of the product for the, for example, we are building a solution to the uh, one client by using the ServiceNow product. So for ServiceNow, the company is the client for them. So if you have any issues with the ServiceNow, they has to provide it. In this one, so the main important module was case management. Next one, contract. Sorry, accounts. Account is nothing but you need to create account. Next one, account as a contract. Entitlements. Next one is the account and the location. We have the location is by default we have. Even for the ITSM also the location and company have, and that means location. Mm, okay, this is the main thing. So let's see how we can check whether our instance has the location. Sorry, the service now as a one. So for the customer service management, if you want to, you can check the case management. Right now, if you search it, the case is not available. You can see here. So for this one, if we want to, uh, for example, how can I say, if it is a normal application, if you want to introduce a new module, we have to install it. That means we have to add the files to it. But in the service now, since we are not doing any installation, we are not doing any installation. We need to install the plugins. So if you want to install the plugins, we can check it. This plugins for we just they will provide the plugins for CSM in. So if you want to, they can provide the. We just checking the product documentation. Even if you want to, we can directly. If you know it directly going, but so these are the main plugins for the CSM. See, so I'm just copying this one. Since we don't have plugin, so we can go to here and plugins. There is a plugin was there. Just wait, it is loading some time. Yeah. So if you don't know, so if you want to directly, since we can use RL, you can v underscore plugin dot list. This is the table where all the plugins will store. Just wait. So I'm just making this one plugins. I'm just doing the ID. I'm just going. So, my God. This is the plugin is already since already is activated. We don't require, and we can check the next one. If I think few of the plugins will automatically installed when you take in the purchase, but few special plugins we did require. Some plugins is free. See, this also in activated. So this is not activated. So I'm just going to activate this one. So here you can see, click on the activate. So it will take some time. So in the meantime, we can activate the another plugin. So I'm just going to the connect support next. Oh my god. So it will take some time. So it will automatically install. There are few plugins in ServiceNow are free. So what are the free plugins? We can utilize it. But if the what are the plugins we need to, it's not free. We need to pay the fee to the ServiceNow. Just wait. I think it's loading something. See, this plugin can't connect that glide that support. I think this plugin is not available. So we need to purchase it from the service to this one. It's not a free, so we need to purchase one. So we have to do it, and we can do it later. Let's see. Still, we have. I'm just reloading. Yes, I think still that is not there. See, you can just read what are the plugins will be useful from. So I'm just checking another one. So this is also not available. We need to purchase it from the service now. This portal was there. We can install it, activate. So there are predefined some was there. So we need to install it. So leave it. I'm just going to activate this one. For few things, we have a what we called dependency over there. Next one is the CSM workspace, the plugin. So this is also not available workspace. So whatever is not available, we can directly purchase it from ServiceNow. That's the basic thing. It's also inactive. Oh my god, see, it is showing us since another plugin was inactivated, so we need to do it one. Now, I'm just going to duplicate this one. Let's see whether the case is enabled or not. Still, the case management is not available. No, no, we can, yeah, we have to install it each and every one for this one. So, before that, if you want to install the CSM, so CSM is nothing but it's a two types. It is a, sorry, it's a customer service manager. It is a two types: business to business and business to consumer. Business to business is nothing but which is for internal. For example, a company is in the 100 locations. So one location will called as a one business. So that is a business to business. That's for in-house. And second one, business to consumer. Business to consumer is nothing but business to we have to do to the customer who is a consumer who is using out utilizing and what type of customers we need support. So for the customers, what we can do it customer relationship and the accounts. Account team and customer relationship will check the what are the priority, all this stuff, and account the account the what is the account name and what is the contract we have with them, how many entities we have, how many licenses we have sold them, like that we can check all this stuff. And next one, customer relationship is nothing but how many cases they are raising, how it was resolving, and what was the feedback from them utilizing our product, like all these details will be coming from this one. And next one, what are the type of products, that means product with model assets, product models and assets, and product relationship, asset relationship, install base, and service contract and entitlements. Which means if you have a product model, we can use this one. If you have a product relation, we can use this one. Asset relation, we can use the same thing. And install base, we can utilize the same thing. And service contract and entitlements, we can use the same thing. And how the customers are being structured. So if you go to the customer organization first, whenever if you raise a case, it will go to the agent. That is called agent. And once the agent is fine, what we will do is if the agent is fine, what we will do is agent will work on the case and his manager will look into the same thing. Now, I'm sorry, it was enabled. So in that here you can see agent. Agent has a group manager, and this agent we groups we have a skill set. For example, if you are a .NET resource, you can resolve the .NET's incidents or cases only. If you are a something XYZ resource skills, you can resolve the XYZ skills incident only. So that's a basic thing, and I'm just going to activate this one again. So that's the one, and the skills we can assign it, and how the root cases will be on. So the cases first we can go to the matching rules, like prior to lookup we have done that matching we have, and assignment rules, that's assignment lookup we have already seen, right, incident how to assign. And third one, assignment workbench, we can the user can assign the manually. And advanced work assignment, AWA, is nothing but depending upon the skill set, and we can assign to the user, system will attend the automatically to the user. That is a basic thing. And now next step, how many ways to the customer can communicate a service agent. That means how many ways to you can raise an incident. You can raise a case like a chat or phone or email or self-service web portal. These are the two portals will do work. And so this is the knowledge base. Knowledge base is nothing but we have already seen, right, that knowledge management. From that we can do the same thing here. This is the basic. If you want to implement, the implementation of the CSM will go like this one. Now let's, oh my god, let's there are few files for there. Okay, I'm just activating these plugins. So I'm just, these are the another plugins which we can use for the case management for this one. Still, let's see whether still we have installed the case. So for this one, we have not installed one. So if you want to check, I'm just reloading this one. This is the application scope we have. Oh my god. This is the application. I think few of them which can be requested by the service now. Here I cannot see here. Okay, it's plugin activated, and These are the list of applications we have, and if I open this one, so I'm just opening the plugins. Where is this one? So this is the customer service management. Like, see, there is a lot of plugins required. So for the customer service management, we can use customer contracts and products and service install base, and personalizing self-service portal and catalog virtual agents, and knowledge management and issue management and target communications, where and root cause for that issues we can check it. Integrated channel and mobile experience we can do it, and agent workspace and predictive intelligence. Predictive intelligence is a different concept, and agent workspace is a different concept. So, okay, I don't know what is this plugin. Okay, let's install the plugins one by one. We don't have an option. Additional? No, not additional. What is the last plugin here? Light portal. That's okay. No, this is not the correct one. And the next one, this portal also is not available. I think we done it. Okay. Okay, we can install the CSM spoke. So load, oh my god, current list. Load demo data is nothing but it will provide the demo data to us so that we can add the same thing for the system. So still it is installing, just wait for a couple of minutes. Oh my god, I think we forgot here. See here also we can activate the plugin. I'm sorry, I forgot here. See, here we customer service management plugin. So we just activate from here also directly. So once we have plugin is completed, we can install it from. So here what happened here, whatever we have seen here, it should be applied from the ServiceNow instance from the what we called whenever if you are purchasing one, it will be in the high portal. If you want to, what are the plugin installation required, we can do the same thing for it. So here that was the thing. Now, so let me check with any other one explicit tools. I think still it is okay. This is fine, and I'm just going to install another plugin. This also is not available. I'm so sorry. I think since this glide server is already activated, so we don't require. And the next one is open this one. It's not copied. So open frame, I'm just installing this one. This is the main plugin for ServiceNow. So I'm just going to install this one also. Oh my god. See, this is the main plugin for customer service management. So this is not installed. So I'm just going to install this one first. See if you want to install this one, there is a lot of plugins we need to install it. So right now I'm just activating this one. So I think it will activate it. So it will take some time. The plugins is nothing but it's a file. For example, in your mobile, if you want to utilize some app, we will install it from the Play Store. For example, we want to utilize one banking application, mobile banking. So we will install the same plugin in ServiceNow. Similarly, similarly in the service, the system also that's the same thing. So in the ServiceNow, if you want to one, we can install that one. We can utilize that application. The CSM is nothing but customer service management. How it will works. First step, for example, if you are purchasing from a one product, so what is the warranty? For example, if you purchase a mobile, it will check what is the warranty for it and what is the other step for it. So warranty, those are details. What is the purchase of product when you have purchased, and what is the offer or what is the offers you have, because from customers. Uh, from customer to customer it will different, right? For example, some customer you are offering with 20,000, some customer you are offering the same product with 15,000. Due to that, that's a different things. We can everything we can manage it from the customer service management. So that's the basic stuff when we have to deal with the same thing. So let us install it. Let's see. So the interviewer may ask what is the difference between ITSM and the CSM. ITSM is nothing but purely for the internal users, and CSM wherever we are providing the service to the customer, like a B2B or B2C. B2B is nothing but business to business, and B2C is nothing but business to the customer or consumer. But whereas the ITSM will be have the ITSM only as the internal one. So this is the most common asked interview question. The roles will be different. If you want, you can check the roles in Google in the product document or roles for ServiceNow. So you can see if you want to, you can open these roles. There are few internal roles and external roles. External roles are assigned to the, there are two types of roles. External roles which are assigned to the outside of organization, and internal roles which are added to the internal users. That like a managers and agent well done. Internal user is the thing but the customer for them. Now see, these are the main thing. The internal roles are the business to business, SN customer service underscore agent, SN customer service underscore manager. This is the business to business internal roles. But business to business other roles were SN underscore customer. I'm so sorry. SN underscore customer service dot customer, and SN underscore customer dot customer admin, SN underscore customer dot customer case manager. These are the three roles. So which is for the external one, business to business. When come to the business to consumer, SN underscore customer dot customer agent, who is the agent working on that case, and a manager who will manage the same thing. And the for him we can give a partner and partner admin, and a consumer sorry, for the business to business we can provide a partner admin and partner, and consumer service dot consumer, that we can do it. This is the base roles which installed from the same thing. Here the agent manager, the customer, these are all the main roles. You can check it later and you can read all these things. Now let me check whether they still installed. I'm just going to reload. My god, the system stuck. Still, I think still it is loading. So, so this is the basic thing when you deal with the CSM. The interviewer may ask roles. I just given the roles here. So I'm just sending you the roles in the chart window. So kindly please read all these roles. This is the product document, which is a Bible for us. Bible in the sense we have to check it. We have this is the, if something is going wrong also, this is the only one thing where we can what it called if you want to protect ourselves, we can do the same thing for this one. This is the basic thing. And also whenever if you're installing plugin, just read out the description what is saying. For example, if you see cn underscore com dot sn underscore open frame, what it's saying, an interface to integrate external communication systems with ServiceNow. This plugin brings a UI frame that is accessible and available anywhere within the ServiceNow screens. Which means, so this is a plugin brings some UI action, UI frame for that users available in the ServiceNow. That's the main code. So if you open this customer service management, See, the customer service management enables the you provide to support and to actional customer with several communication channels such as web, email, telephone, and a case created to keep the track of all the issues reported for service requested. So, and assign the group of agents, customer service agents in your organization work on the case and resolve issues. This is the basic thing where we can check the all the stuff like that. Whenever if you're installing, what are the installation, what is use of that one, it will grant here, and you can check it for here. So if you want to use this one, can purchase the license from the service now. Depending upon the license, we can utilize the how many applications, all the stuff, we can use the same thing for it. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. So this installation is completed. So this installation is a one-time activity. Before installation, you have to check what are the features is coming from the plugin from the product document, and what are the other things will become, and whether it is a free or license. If it is a license, what is the license contract for them? So how many days they can give you a free support? What if any issues going on? What will happen? Like all the stuffs we have to configure it here. Just I think it's almost completed. So I think we have installed it. I'm just going to reload this page. This is the application we have installed it. See right now, see right now we have been changed it to customer service application. So that means if you change this one, what are the applications, what are the scripts you written within the scope, that only it will execute here. If you go to the case management, we can create a new case here. So if you create a case, and what is a channel for them, like see phone, web, alert, functionality, community, virtual agent, alert, all this stuff, web, and what is the account? I think we don't have any data. So we can provide the data and contact and consumer. What is a product they are fitting? For example, we go to the contact is nothing but who is a contact for this case, and consumer is nothing but who is the consuming this one, and these are all things. So maybe I can tell you in the next class for this how. So today what we have, we just install the plugins for CSM, and next class I will show you how we can implement, or what are the how we can utilizing the CSM module. So till now, any queries, guys? Fine. So just what you guys do, just install the CSM plugin in your instance, and we'll do for that.